So are you struggling with muscle soreness after your runs? Hi there, I'm Dr. Lynne, the owner and physical therapist at The Movement Clinic in Pensacola, Florida, and a running and movement specialist. And I wanted to let you know, first of all, that a lot of that soreness is totally normal, but I know that it can really hamper you when you're trying to get back into activity. So let's first start with the basics. First, number one, you want to make sure you're getting sufficient rest after your run to help your body to heal. Two, make sure that you're getting the appropriate amount of nutrition and hydration, including electrolytes after, because that's what your body uses to heal all those processes. Now, what are some additional things that you can do to help decrease that muscle soreness so you can speed up the healing and not necessarily just get back to running? One is get moving. Yes, even just a simple walk is really helpful, but some other things like foam rolling, using a Theragun or some other kind of percussive device, or even some compression devices. All of those are, the intent is to get some blood flow back into those tissues if it's too much to get walking again. The next thing that you can also do is something called blood flow restriction. I know it sounds really fancy and a little bit scary, but it actually can help, again, improving with blood flow, which can help with healing. So those are all things that you can do to help with healing. Now stay tuned for more on telling the difference between muscle soreness and pain.